Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, chapter 121. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Jishao house. The two of them still sleeping, but Jishao, she need to wake up early. Now, she wake up late and someone was calling her. She rushly answering the phone. She went out on the bedroom. Well, this girl. Why suddenly she was acting strange. I said, Joe, you can call in the morning. Are you deliberately not wanting the peoples to sleep? I almost woke up facing you. Well, look at her. That can blame me. I'm here now. It's Christmas. There is a jet lag. Oh, it turns out she already came back home. Your night in high school. Why did suddenly remembers to call me? Jisha was asking her. Well, definitely. She looks really happy. Now, there's a good news to tell you. I was recommended to be able to get on medical university. She is really happy, informing her. I got a notice after that. I was first to tell Wansi. Oh, this is really sad. Until now, she remembers Wansi. The second is how it is interesting. You are so interesting. Congratulations. Jisho said to her. Well, of course, our friendship are getting stronger. I also tell you a good news. I have succeeded in changing the majors. From next year, I will be a student. Oh, it turns out, Sister Jisho, why did you suddenly change major? Well, she really got curious. Are you blocked by the market? Well, definitely it's not the reason, but of course, I am chasing my ideals, okay? Jisho said to her, if you don't believe me, ask Yiming. I said at the beginning that I wanted to be a people teacher, so of course, I know you're chasing your dreams, but would be difficult for Sister Singyu to support the company alone. Well, it seems that. Of course not. Wei Xingyu suddenly wake up, and she moved closer to them. Now, since she already wake up, she suddenly barged in. Shawnee, do you know Feng Yue? It was Feng Yue who taught me economics at the time she came to Mansing. Now it makes sense. Wei Xingyu, she was really brave. Coupled with the help of Jin Anfeng and Ding Lao, Mansing's management is not a problem. I have something I want to stick to. Jisha should also pursue her dreams. I will support you anyway, Wei Xingyu said to Jishao. Now, it makes sense. She moved closer to her, and she hugged her. But now, suddenly, she kissed her gently. Now, it was Shawnee. Hey, I'm still here. You can pay attention, hey. What a poor Shawnee. She really got neglected. 3 years later, on summertime. So it turns out everything went well, right? Jishao, she must be pursuing her dreams. Now she can able to teach the students. Students, I would like to remind again that we are going to visit the aquarium next Saturday. And everyone is remembers to prepare in advance. Jishao, the students, alright. Class is over, Jishao said to them. One of the students said, Teacher, don't worry, we will not forget it. Well, it turns out everything went well. Jishao, she looks really happy. The students said that I'm going to see a mermaid show too. Okay, see you next week, Jisho said to them. Back then, on teacher's office, let me tell you about Liu Ying. You can sit still. You have to call the police. You have to get a divorce. One of the teachers said to colleague. But, but what can I do? Me and my sons are Omega. What if we divorce and the child is awarded to him? Now it makes sense. Hey, your husband is Alpha after all. You have to be more patient. You are an Omega. One of the colleagues said, this cannot be solved by tolerance. Moreover, Alpha and Omega are both equal, and they still have to fight for their legal rights and interests. Well, they are right. Young and Beautiful is the chairman of the big board, so she is paved the road for the teacher G. Oh, is this getting jealous? Do you know, we will visit the next week's research and sponsored by the G's girlfriend. Got it. The Alpha also eats soft rice. Rely on your girlfriend. To go to that position. Well, definitely right now. Jishao said, this gossip is really so fast. Well, it was really. Now, looking at Jishao, yes, my girlfriend is so powerful. Oh, she was really happy and also she is really proud that she is the girlfriend of Wei Xingyu. Now, sorry, my girlfriend is still waiting for me outside the school gate. I will go now, Jishao said to them. Well, everyone was looking at her. Probably most of it is getting jealous. Well, she went outside to see Wei Xingyu. Turns out Wei Xingyu is already parked and waiting for her. Wei Xingyu was calling Jishao, Jishao, and she is really smiling. Of course, she is really happy to see Jishao after working. Now, it makes sense. This kind-hearted Miss Rabbit seems to be lost. Can you take me home? Now, what kind of lace this? Looking at her, she looks really mischievous. Then, you have to put coins. Wei Xingyu said to her. Oh, this kind of conversation is really sweet. And it was really unavoidable. Wei Xingyu grasped her hands. And look at them. They're really acting like a child. But moreover, their love for each other is really getting stronger. Looking at Wei Xingyu, she was blushing. Wei Xingyu was looking at hers. The feeling seems to be getting heightened. Now, it makes sense. Jishao, she moved closer to Wei Xingyu and kissed her gently, and Wei Xingyu seems to be surprised. Now, Jishao, is this okay? Well, what kind of payment is this? It was really too expensive, right? She didn't even think that Jishao would kiss her. Still, her face is turning red. Well, Jishao said to her, if not, I can vote again. Well, from time to time, Jishao is really getting sweeter to her, and Wei Xingyu. And she is really contented that Jishao was on her side, even though she got really busy. Of course, she will find a way. Always gets her. Finally, two of them are going home. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!